broadcast was brought to you by the U.S. government. Russian missiles have been spotted heading towards the United States and Canada. The following states must be evacuated immediately: Montana, Kentucky, New York, South Virginia, West Virginia, and Ohio. If you are not able to evacuate, please find your nearest bunker. This is not a test.
This broadcast was requested by the Canadian government. Russian missiles have been detected heading to USA and Canada. The following provinces must be evacuated immediately: Alberta, Quebec, Ontario, and Nova Scotia. If you're not able to evacuate, please get to your nearest bunker. Please stay tuned to this radio station or other news.